Yeah, guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Today, I'm going to be discussing an update on the excellent strategy. Okay, guys, if you are new to this channel, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified once we upload a new video. Okay, this channel is meant to bring to you an awesome strategy that can make you earn money trading the financial market. All right, so guys, this morning I just want to give you guys an update on the excellent strategy. Some of us messaged me and they say they got caught by spike when the conditions met and all that, and then I have to do an update to clarify you that the spike that happens on you is because of something that you need to know right now. Okay, please, I need you to watch this video to the end. Watch it to the end so you don't miss an important update. I know some of people will just skip the introduction and go straight to the settings and all that, and before you know it, they did not grab the information they need to grab, and before you say anything, they start to blow account, then saying that the strategy is not working and all that. But I want you to watch videos to the end so that you don't miss any tip, don't miss any information that you need to know. Okay, guys, without much wasting of your time, this is the excellent strategy. Okay, I'm not going to talk about much about this strategy here. If you want to understand it more, you can just go to the channel and search for the excellent strategy, or you check the video description. I will leave the link of the main video, the full video, then you watch it and get it right. This morning I just want to do a little correction on how this market work. Don't worry about the settings, these settings here. I'm going to using this thing to catch spike, and I talked about this in our next video, so don't miss it out. It's a spike catching strategy that I'm testing right now. Okay, so by next week, I'm going to be releasing it to you guys, so stay tuned and you get it. Okay, guys, this is the excellent strategy, and here we go. Remember the zoom level. Someone is asking me about the zoom level of this strategy, but I keep saying to people, watch videos to the end. I speak of the zoom level in every video I post, so if you watch it to the end, you understand that I said about it. Once again, the zoom level for this market is from the lowest zoom level, zoom out 3 times, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the zoom level we are using. You could use this zoom or this zoom, both of them are the same, but I use this one particularly, zoom level 3, from the lowest zoom level. Okay, guys, let's get to work. I know you know what is in the main chart, the chimoku, the alligator, and all that. So if you don't have the settings on your phone, you don't know the settings, kindly watch the next video below this, or search, go to the screen, this video description. You will see the link of the excellent strategy full video. You watch it, the settings is there. Okay, now let us get to business. Okay, now this is the correction I wanted to make in this market. You see there's a cross here. I should have entered this market earlier, but why shouldn't I enter this market? Okay, because the market is in a support level. Look at a support level here. This is a support. Okay, let us add something to let you understand what I'm saying. Let me add fractals. All right, fractals is makes me understand that every spike in this 1 minute time frame is a support. Yeah, take it or leave it, is a support. Look at here we are right now, is a support level. Even though there's a cross, even though the cross has gone far anyway, we should have entered earlier and taken our profits. But maybe you came into the market right now, maybe you just came into the market by mistake and you saw this market, you won't say already it's a cross to let me enter this market. My brother, you might get caught by spike, because why? It is already at a support level here and already near another support level, this place. So you need to understand the principle of support and resistance. Okay, and the market trend. If the market is trending downward, then you will not mind taking trade in this kind of areas. But look at this boom is actually not on a downtrend. Look at it. It's not in a downtrend. It's on an uptrend. This is 5 minute time frame. Let's check out an hour time frame. Look at it. This market is not a downtrend at this moment. At the moment, it is trying to form a double top, maybe come to this extent before dropping down or break out and continues upward. So it's not a downtrend at the moment. So you take note of the 1 minute to support and resistance level. Also in this area is not a downtrend. It's still trying to break out the support, the small support at this region here. This little support here is not yet broken, so we don't take such trade. I'm saying this in case you enter the market now and you see it's a cross, maybe you missed it, it's the sniper entry, and you want to take this trade now. You should not take it. You should not take it because it is risky. You might be lucky and get it right, your take profit hit, but guess what? You are going to lose. Sometimes in some cases you're going to get caught by spike and you will lose your money. So be careful of areas like that. Areas like that is not worth trading with. Okay, let's see it. Look at what's happened here, my brother. Look at it here. Look at it here. Something happened here. There is a cross here. Okay, you should actually taking your profit actually. And also the market spiked up, coming closer to these lines, and that spike happened. But when this thing, when there's a crossover this place, I should enter. But if I'm to take the trade, I'm not going to enter this market once there is a cross like this. I will have to enter when this market has already crossed this support, this small, this support here. Let me show you the support I'm talking about so you don't get confused. This little support here, this thing here, the support. Until it crosses it down, I will not enter this market. Okay, even though there is a crossover right here, but I will have to wait for it to cross this support, and I will enter my two candles and I will exit my market. All right, this is how I have been doing it. And to tell the truth, I have not got caught by spike using this method, not even a single one, except when I'm trying to do something else. Look at, I traded today. This is the results I made today morning. You see, spike caught me here. This one, a spike caught me here. Why this spike caught me? Because I was trying to take trade even when no conditions is met. Okay, the market is going down from 500. Is I see it going down, but on the higher time frame is an uptrend. But I think I just assumed that before a spike will happen, let me take my two candles and exit. Before you know it, my market has reached 0.22 or 0.30 before a long spike caught me, and I have to enter this two trade here to minimize the loss. I did not wait for this to break even, because the market spiked against me long time, that gave me about $4 loss. So I have to enter this two trade to minimize the loss and to break even of the loss I'm having here. That's why I close this one in loss, while this are in profit. You see this one is in 1.57. I just hold it to break even of this loss. Okay, before then I have made my target of $4.2. But greed, that's why I always warn you guys, don't trade against your trading plan. Don't trade against your trading plan. You will hurt yourself really good. The account you saw me use as example on the first day I released this strategy. Look at it here. It has been growing by day $4 each, like I gave you in the trading plan. Use it well and you're going to grow your account. This is a simple a small account I'm trying to hold. Look at it. And I told you guys, you see guy, you see it. It has come to that resistance, that support level, the red line, and boom, it spike. Look at it. You see it. It reaches to that support and a spike. So that is why I say don't trade in a support area for boom. Now on crash, don't trade at a resistance level. It is risky to trade at like at this point, at this moment. I don't expect you to enter a market, because already we are at in a area of resistance right here. The zone here is of a resistance, and a spike might happen in moments from here. So if you are to enter this market, you should enter once there is a crossover here, and you check out that no resistance around that period. Then you enter your market and take your two candles and exit. If you want to take more candles, then check out for support and resistance. For crash, don't trade in area like this. Don't trade area like this, because a spike might happen at this resistance level or even at this point. So leave the market and wait for another opportunity. Always opportunity comes always, so don't fight the market. Look at something happened here. The market spiked and it reached that resistance level, and it spiked again downward. Okay, so don't trade in a level of resistance. Don't trade in the levels of resistance. It is risky and it can hurt. Look at what is like it's doing all this while. It will come to that area and spike. So when the market is in area of resistance, my brother, my sister, ignore the market. Ignore it and wait for a perfect entry. After all, you are not rushing the market. You have the whole day, 24 hours, to trade and get your 10 sessions, as I told you in the last video where I give you the trading plan. So you don't try to make the target early, as in once and for all. Just try to follow the instruction and you will be good to go. Okay, some guys ask me about how I get accurate two candles and all that. I don't see a trade I should use to give you an example here. I talked about it in the last video actually, but I don't know, some people did not watch to the end, so they don't know what I did, what I did to get the accurate two candles and all that. So let me see if I can see a trade that and I used to enter a trade and make you understand how I do that. If I see a trade that's good to trade, I will enter it. Look at this particular one has actually done this. It's already at Ichimoku and already crossed here, touches going down. So this market is not good, is not a good one for me to enter. But I don't know if I should use it for example. It might spike against me, but let me just try it. Let me use an example. What do I do? There's boom. I will enter it a sell. Let me say a sell. To get my two candles, I will take the entry point here. It is 9851. I will hold it down. 9851. 9851. I will remove 2 from that 9851 to be 9849. I will click on done. I will go to the other point after the point here, 0240. I will remove 4 there, 0240, 0240. From that 40, I will remove 4. That is, it will be 36. That 4 is for the ticks. Okay, the tick that is ticking, that is the 4 I'm removing there to make it accurate two candles, and I will close. I will done. You see the take off. You see my take profit here. That's giving me accurate two candles. So when the market actually hits this take profit, it will give me a profit of 0.4 without any issue there. Okay, I don't think I will hold this trade because it's not, nothing has met. This one has met earlier enough, and I don't uh I didn't enter earlier enough. Okay, so let us check for. So that is how you guys can actually make that thing happen. Let me exit it so that I don't go against my trading rules. All right, yeah. So that is how simple it is for you to trade with this strategy. This strategy is very good, my people. Don't neglect this strategy. Don't neglect it, guys. Use it well. Use it well, and you will testify. You will testify so much of this strategy. On Monday, I'll be releasing to you guys the settings of this settings here. It's for spike catching, and you will love to have it, guys. Anticipate for it. Until then, I remain HumbleFx, and please share this video. Share to your friends, share to loved ones, share to anybody around you, share on groups, and let us reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month. We are growing bit by bit. Let us reach 1,000 subscribers in this channel. Okay, guys, comment, give us a thumbs up, and we will be glad. Ask your question, and I'll be glad to attend to you as soon as I see it. And once again, guys, this setup works best on the 1000 indexes. Okay, it works very best on the 1000 indexes, but 1000 crash 1000, it will work best in them. If you are trading on crash 500 and on 500, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful in these areas I just pointed out, because the spikes happens easily on 500 and crash 500, while it takes a longer time to happen on the 1000 and crash 1000. So guys, remain blessed and enjoy your day. HumbleFx signing out.